Hello guys, this is SANDISO COSSA. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're finding out, is it still worth it to buy DJI Mavic Air in 2021? Let's find out. Okay, right now, let's start by reviewing the drone, see what you get straight from the box. We have a battery, smart battery, extra propeller guards, which they can actually help you so much, especially when you don't have experience flying a drone. You can actually crash anytime, so having them on your drone, but I never use them. Some other cables here that you connect to your device, charging cable, controller itself, quite nice. This one doesn't have a screen. Some other drones, they have screen there, and you have your joysticks there to mount them, screw them here, and you have your antennas there. There's where goes your device, which is and DJI Bible, which no one reads. Yes, let's fly. Okay, right now jumping back to my past experiences using this drone. I think I've been having it for 1 year, 3 months if I'm not mistaken. I've shot weddings, music videos and other special projects. So I'm just gonna list out things I like and things I don't like about this drone. The good part about this drone, DJI Mavic Air, is compact size. The compatibility, the size itself, it's really amazing. It can actually fit in my pocket. Let's see. Told you, size matters. Another thing I like about this drone is built-in 8GB memory. In case you forget the memory card at home, it's still good to go. In some other drones, you are screwed. Talking about speed, this drone has sport mode that goes about 42 miles per hour. That's more like 68 kilometers per hour. That's ridiculously fast. I don't actually recommend that if you're actually going for cinematic shots, because that actually messes up with the gimbal. It's gonna tilt up and down and you don't really want that. So actually I always shoot on a normal mode and get cinematic shot. Another thing, it's flight time. You get 21 minutes, in which not really quite bad. Not really quite bad, I guess so. Moving to the camera quality, the quality you get from this drone is really amazing. For video you get about 4K at 30 frames per second and 120 for HD and Full HD. And for photos, that's 12 megapixels. Check out these pictures. Quite impressive, isn't it? The last part, things I don't like about this drone, they're not really so much. One thing I hate so much, noise. This drone is very loud. My god, it can actually disturb you in sense of maybe you're filming a wedding and everyone will be just looking up trying to see where drone is. So it's really hard for you to get that nice footage without getting people paying attention to the drone. Like, so I don't really like if maybe there was either way of making it silent. Yeah. Another thing I don't like about this drone is when you're on sport mode, the gimbal always tilts down. So I don't actually see any use of having sport mode because you can actually shoot anything decent from that. So I don't really like that. Another thing, the radio control on this drone is actually based on Wi-Fi, in which, especially when you shoot on urban areas, you can actually all the time get signal losses and end up losing your drone. So, but overall, going back to the question, is it still worth it on 2021? Yes, absolutely yes. This actually depends on what you actually working on the field. You on weddings, music videos, or commercials, or corporates. But for me, actually being using this drone for weddings and music videos and other special projects, it has been so much amazing. I've got so much decent video and photos from this Mavic Air, so I'm really quite happy. And that's it for me, guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you really like this video and what drone are you using or which drone actually to plan to buy this year. And please subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next Friday. Thank you guys, I love you.